Warm greetings. I am Dr. Ali Dilanggalin, President of the Cotabato Foundation College of Science and Technology, located in Arakan, Cotabato, Philippines. On behalf of our academic community, we extend our warmest congratulations to Acleda University of Business on its 10th anniversary. A decade of dedication, innovation, and commitment to excellence is truly worth celebrating. Thank you for partnering with CFCST and for being a valued collaborator in advancing our shared goals in education, research, and community engagement. Your trust and commitment to working with us have strengthened our academic initiatives and expanded meaningful opportunities for our students and faculty. Once again, congratulations on this significant milestone. We look forward to sustaining and strengthening our collaboration in the years to come. Mabuhay and more power!